नमस्कार देवी और सज्जनों, यदि आप मेरे YouTube के चैनल पे नए आए हैं, मेरा नाम है सहर और मैं आपको धन्यवाद बोलना चाहती हूँ मेरे YouTube के वीडियो को देखने के लिए। यदि आप मेरा पूरा वीडियो देख के भाग जाए, ऐसा मत कीजिए। मेरे वीडियो को एक थम्स अप यानी लाइक कीजिए और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। आज के वीडियो का विषय है मेरी ज़िंदगी में एक हफ्ता। Ladies and gents, I hope you enjoy. I washed my hair and everything, and I just want to give a special mention to this shampoo and conditioner by Nashi Argan, and this is the brand I really like. So yeah, I don't know what this. Oh yeah, so it's the shampoo for all kind of hair. So it's nothing specific, and my hair is very dry and thin. I have very thin hair and I have frizzy hair, so this shampoo is great for that. So I am going to go and make myself some breakfast now, and I'm gonna have avocado toast. Shocker, but yeah, my avocado looks really nice and plump and ripe today, so I'm gonna make some avocado toast and some ice cream, cold coffee, which if you've been following me on my Instagram, catching up with my stories, you know that I have a slight problem with that now because it's so tasty. So I'm gonna go and make that today. So I was just thinking I should really invest in some loungewear because I have the most ugly looking night suits ever, and now that I'm a YouTuber I need to have those really aesthetic cute night suits, which I don't unfortunately, but I love my Radhi night suits. Yeah, I mean there's something so comfortable about ugly night suits, but small changes. For now, my Radhi night suits are all y'all are gonna see. And my avocado was a little too perfect today, and too perfect means guacamole material, but I'm not gonna have guac for breakfast. Okay, no wait, maybe I am. So I'm just gonna make some guacamole, put some toast. Coffee. It's Tuesday. I'm just getting ready to eat lunch, and after that my mom and I are going to go and run some errands. I was just taking pictures for my Instagram, so if you haven't seen it, snakes. So it is about 5 p.m. and I hope it doesn't rain, but yeah, it's about 5 p.m. and we are leaving right now. No one's gonna see me or anything, so I mean if my hair is like this, I think it should be fine. We are twinning. Mama, show your outfit. No. Mama, show na. Give me your OOTD details. Ram Pravesh, मेरे YouTube के दोस्तों को hello बोलो.
Hello, namaste, जय बजरंगबली.
OOTD's outfit of the day.
H&M.
What H&M? It's fine. तुमसे ना हो पाए.
ना हो पाए. इन रोड जाना है.
We are headed for a short and non-productive ride to Bandra. So when we get there, I will vlog more. We are now going to food hall to pick up tea, this really nice green tea that I mentioned in my what I eat, I think. Yeah, so we're going to pick up the same green tea at food hall. There's this one specific tea that I really like, so we're going to go and buy that. Which tea is this?
Himalayan.
Yeah, let's take it now.
40% off is there.
Just buy one.
I like this one.
Oh,
So
what do we
listen,
do with
listen.
this?
It's you put the tea leaves here and you pour it into this cup.
And
So
then,
this will be your teacup.
You have to put
oh, it will become a teacup. Now.
Yeah.
like a drinking.
Oh, shall we?
Give one this now.
One this.
Cappuccino for my mom, and for me, I'm having a cold brew with almond milk because the normal milk is too heavy and I'm a bit full. And then if I have normal milk, I won't have dinner. That's why I'm having almond milk. Not that I have to explain myself or anything, but yeah, obviously we're not drinking it inside. We're gonna go out and have it. Yeah. Also, we got that cup that I was eyeing because it's very annoying to. 1 minute. Let me show you what I bought. I got the creamy fantasy strawberry tea, like the berry tea, then the Himalayan tea, Himalayan tulsi, and this little set, this one, where you put the tea leaves and then you just strain it out into a cup, so it's like a tea for 1 cup. Which I am very excited for because now I can take all the aesthetic tea pictures in the world, and I just love tea. So I'm so excited to use my cup. Plus, when I'm drinking green tea, the leaves always end up like coming in my mouth, and that's super annoying. So we're gonna leave now. Hi guys, so I'm just sitting for my lectures and having my breakfast. I'm having some coffee, some potato, sausage, fried egg. Yummy. So I'm just gonna eat my breakfast, sit through my lectures, and then vlog a little. So there are some parcels piled up for me at the gate downstairs, and I am going to go and pick them up. And I was thinking maybe we could do a little haul soon of the stuff that I've got. So I didn't want to change out of my home clothes. I just threw my robe on, and we're gonna go down to pick up the stuff that we got. I'm so excited to see what I got because I ordered so much stuff and I forgot that I ordered so much stuff. So this is gonna be exciting. Hey guys, so I'm just heading out to my orthodontist because my braces ka wire popped. So I'm going to get that fixed, and I'm also gonna go and buy some decorations for my brother's birthdays. So yeah, I need to do something about my hair. I think I have to straighten it only like everyone else. There's nothing else I can do now. So I'm here and I'm trying to pick out some stuff for my brother. I'm just wondering, should I take those balloons? But they'll be really difficult to fill, or should I just get one of these? I think I'll get these. But the balloons look much nicer. I don't know. And then, ooh, I got this really funny birthday boy tag thing that I'm very excited about. So I'm definitely taking that, but I don't know what I'm gonna buy. I want to buy something really stupid since like it's my brother. So let's see. I think I'll just take balloons, but I don't know. Guys, so I don't even know what day it is of the vlog, but it's Thursday. And I have some stuff piled up that, you know, like orders and stuff. So I'm gonna do an unboxing today. So let's see what we got. The first item I have is from Amazon. So I just got my scissors here. Oh, it's my tripod. 20cm tripod. Like I wanted a smaller tripod because my tripod is huge. But yeah, this is how I got it. It's stone and everything. So Amazon, what are you doing, sis? It comes with a little bag for the tripod, which is very sweet. Is this for Barbies? Why do I do this to myself? The reviews were good. Okay, so this is the first thing that I got. I can't say I'm happy with it, but I bought it anyways. The next thing I have is from Zara. It's scary how excited I am. I forgot what I even ordered. Oh, okay. Okay, are you ready? So the first thing I got are these trousers. I don't know if you can see them properly, but they're like these palazzo wide leg trousers that I'm so excited to wear, and they're pretty sheer actually. They look like I got an extra small, which I think should fit. Ooh. So y'all know I love the shoulder pad white t-shirt from Zara, and I got the same one in black, except this one has a little elastic band at the waist, but it's cute. And the last thing I got is this ecru tiger print shirt. Yummy. I remember seeing this a few months ago when I was at the mall with my friends, and I didn't buy it, and I saw it and I was like, I saw it this time and I was like, sis, it's a sign. And then I just bought it and I'm like, okay, moving on. The next thing I got are these Starbucks Nespresso pods. I'll open it when I'm having my Nespresso. So I do have a Nespresso machine, but finding the pods for them are really difficult, and I'm very picky about them, and the pods that I like got over. So my dad actually got these ones from Alpha, and this is what they look like. So I'll show you when I make my coffee. You just dunk it into the machine and it just pours out the coffee. So yeah, and I got the Cafe Verona dark roast, roasty, sweet and dark cocoa notes. So the intensity is like 10 to 12, which is like pretty strong. So I'm excited about that. And then when we went to food hall, I showed you guys the tea set that I really liked, so we picked one up and I'm just going to show you what it looks like. So it's very nicely packed actually, with the bubble wrap and everything top. And I don't know what material this is. I think it's that glassy plastic type thing. So basically what you do is you put the tea leaves over here in this little thing, and it automatically infuses your tea, and you get the tea in the teapot itself, and there's a cup that comes with it. This is what it looks like. So you just put the tea, pour the water, and then you can just directly pour it into the cup. I think my ring light ka battery died, so I don't put it in the pot because the pot is too fast. So this fellow charges my ring light, and I think he's a little sleepy and low on energy, so I'm gonna charge him. But this actually happened at the perfect time because I'm almost done showing you guys what I bought. So thanks, Cleo. And today is actually my brother's birthday, and we're having a little scene at home. So I'm gonna set up the hall and everything, so you can come with me while I decorate the hall, get ready. Today is gonna be an exciting-ish day. So I'll see you guys in
So some of the decorations I picked up are this birthday boy badge, this unicorn balloon, and this happy birthday, that thing that you put like across the wall, and these party horns, I guess, and a crown for my brother because why not?
Hey guys, it's Thursday night. It's my brother's birthday, and I'm like dressed up. That's my sprouts ka bowl because I just had sprouts before the food comes. We're eating sushi, and I'm very excited. And my dad is judging me, but anyway, I'm gonna vlog when the food comes, and basically we're having a little party right now and sometime with like music and stuff. Just me and my parents, but it's not lame or anything because I mean it's gonna be a fun time. So yeah, we're all getting dressed up, and I'm wearing like heels and jewelry and everything for this party at home. My brother's turning 26, and I'm really excited to vlog. Oh, I forgot to show you all the decoration like that I did. So let me show you. This is the like happy birthday thing, and that's a unicorn balloon. And if you're wondering what that is, it's Pippin and Mimin's castle, like their cat jungle gym. So yeah. Yippee! Hi, handsome boy! Why are you troubling him? Mimin! Pippin! Hi, Piffy! He's taken your hello. He's running up. Oh.
I'm using my Nespresso machine after literally so long, and I want to use the new pods I bought. So basically I just put water behind in the little tanky, and then I put the machine on, put the pod inside, and just select whether I want an espresso, and I'll just wait for the espresso to come out, and I'll froth my milk separately, and that's how I make my cappuccino via Nespresso. For breakfast, I'm just having fried egg with mini bagels, my cappuccino, and salami. I think I'm gonna end this vlog here with some cake and tea because I'm gonna spend all of Saturday editing. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you didn't find this vlog boring, and I will see you next Sunday with another video.
Looking for myself, I'm staring at my shadow. I'm not gonna be safe.